Curry woke up and chose violence last night. 31 wet ones, 7 boards, 7 handouts. That's not a stat line, that's a receipt. Steph was out there running cardio, shooting from the parking lot, smiling like he late for supper, and the Bucks still couldn't stop it. The freak playing bully ball. Curry playing with his food. Every time the Bucks made a run, Curry said, nah, turned around and splashed and jogged back like it's nothing. At this point, if you're still leaving Curry open, that's not defense. That's consent. The Bucks tried it all. Switches, doubles, prayers, and good vibes. Curry said no respectfully. At this point, the Nets need a restraining order. The Bucks thought they had defense. Every time Curry pulls up, the crowd goes, ah. This is why he changed the game forever. Curry don't rush shots. Shots rush Curry. Seven rebounds, 2. He doing cardio and damage. Defenders did everything right. Still wrong. You can hear the silence right before the splash. Chef, back in the kitchen. Different rules for Curry with the 30. Same face, same calm, different night, same belt to ass. You can game plan all you want, greatness don't listen. Curry shoots till he misses and shoots till he makes it. Splash.